Yo, what's up, crypto fam? Ever looked at your Coinbase card and wondered, just how much can I actually spend on this thing? I mean, it's cool to have a card that turns your crypto into cash, but there's gotta be a limit, right? Well, today, we're diving deep into the world of Coinbase card limits. Let's figure this out together. So, you've probably heard of Coinbase, right? The crypto platform that's kinda like the gateway to the world of digital currencies. And their card? It's like having a magic ticket to use your crypto anywhere Visa is accepted. But, as with most good things, there are rules. And in this case, it's limits. Let's start with the obvious, the daily spending limit. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can I buy that Lamborghini with my Coinbase card? Well, slow down there, hotshot. The daily spending limit is actually pretty reasonable for most people. It's set at $2,500 per day. So, yeah, you can treat yourself to a nice dinner, some shopping, or even a flight, but don't expect to clear out your entire crypto stash in one go. But wait, there's more. It's not just about daily limits. Your overall spending limit can also vary. It depends on a few things, like how long you've been a Coinbase user, how much crypto you hold, and how much you've verified your account. The more you use Coinbase and the more information you provide, the higher your limit could go. Think of it like leveling up in a video game. Now, let's talk about ATM withdrawals. You know those moments when you need cold, hard cash? Your Coinbase card can help with that, but again, there are limits. You can withdraw up to $1,000 per day from ATMs. So, while you can't exactly fund your next heist, you can definitely cover those unexpected expenses. But what if you need to spend more than $2,500 in a day? Or withdraw more than $1,000 from an ATM? Don't panic. Coinbase offers a way to increase your limits. It's called account verification. Basically, you provide more information about yourself, like proof of address and ID. Once you're verified to a higher level, your limits can go up. It's like unlocking a new level of crypto freedom. Alright, so we've covered the basics, daily spending limits, ATM withdrawals, and how to increase your limits. But what about other limits? Like, can you use your Coinbase card to buy a house? Or maybe invest in the stock market? Well, unfortunately, the Coinbase card is primarily designed for spending, not investing. So, while you can use it to buy just about anything you can think of, it's not a financial investment tool. One last thing to remember, Coinbase can change these limits at any time. So, it's always a good idea to check their website or app for the most up-to-date information. You don't want to get caught off guard when you're trying to buy that concert ticket and suddenly realize your card is maxed out. So, there you have it, folks. The Coinbase card is a fantastic tool for spending your crypto, but it does have its limits. By understanding these limits and taking steps to increase them, you can make the most of your card. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, keep on crypto ing.